The French satirical newspaper whose Paris offices were attacked in 2015 is reprinting the controversial caricatures of Islam's Prophet Muhammad that the gunmen who opened fire on its editorial staff cited as their motivation. In an editorial this week accompanying the offensive caricatures, the paper said the drawings belong to history, and history cannot be rewritten nor erase the January 2015 attacks against Charlie Hebdo and, 2 days later, a kosher supermarket, touched off a wave of killings claimed by the ISIS armed group across Europe. 17 people died in the attacks, 12 of them at the editorial offices, along with all 3 attackers. The decision to republish the cartoons will be seen by some as a defiant gesture in defense of free expression, but others may see it as a renewed provocation by a publication that has long courted controversy with its satirical attacks on religion. The caricatures republished this week were first printed in 2006 by the Danish newspaper Jyllands Posten, setting off sometimes violent protests by some Muslims who found the depictions offensive. The Prophet Muhammad is deeply revered by Muslims and any kind of visual depiction is forbidden. The caricatures were perceived as linking him with terrorism. Charlie Hebdo, infamous for its irreverence and accused by critics of racism, regularly caricatures religious leaders from various faiths and republished them soon afterwards.